Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. If you are new here, I am working on a public mosaic called the Landscape of Dunwoody. It says the word Dunwoody right here. It's about 36 feet long by about 4 feet high. So we've broken it into 12 panels. I have a partner named Jennifer Freeman. She is working mostly on the ceramic portion using thinset as her adhesive, and I am working mostly on the stained glass portion using silicone as my adhesive. We're getting close to the finish line. We are down here. Let me show you where we're at. Here it is. This is panel 9 and panel 10. And as you can see, a lot of this landscape area with fields and the last tree trunk, that is all going to be ceramic. So Jennifer needs to come and pick that up. I have a little bit more to work on this panel and the one after. First order of business today is going to be to tape and lift up the pieces that I have on this border line so that we can save them for the installation later. That's it. Do this little area that is a transition swath under the trees, and I'm just going to go with these 4 colors. I want to keep it quite muted, but I want to make sure I have some teal. Jennifer has stopped by. She needs to take panel 9, but this little area of ceramic tiles needs to be finished first. So she's finishing this area, and then she has a little bit on panel 10, and she'll take panel 9 with her. Jennifer is here, and she is doing the little bits that she needs to do on panel 10, and she is going to take panel 9. Jennifer cut all the pieces, and then instead of gluing some of them down and some not, we just decided it's so skinny, we just taped all the ones that were left. And now she's able to take this. So I am going to move it off the bench and get everything moved around here. Here we go. I've got panels 10 and 11 on my tables, and these are the last areas that I need to do. I have these 2 areas of fused pieces that I need to fuse, and I have that area underneath the trees, and then I am done. I think Jennifer has a little bit more. She has all the ceramic work on panel 9, so she has definitely got more square footage, and we're gonna just give ourselves a generous week and a half to wrap this up. And then we will get into grouting. We're going to grout it before we install it, so grouting will be next. Before I get started with the swaths, I do want to see how much I have. I made a few of these pieces, and I don't know how much I have and how much I need to make. Once again, I'm going to see what I have, and I'm going to load the kiln first, and then I will get after those swaths. Looks like fusey. right, after laying them all out, I can clearly see that I have enough small pieces of this one, but I definitely need some bigger pieces. And in this one, I need big pieces and maybe some more small pieces, but I need to fill the kiln, so I'm gonna get started right now. Looking great. Here's what they look like before they are fired, and here's what they look like afterwards. So great. Here are my pieces fresh out of the kiln, and I'm gonna fit them in there and see if I need to make any more. And then this is gonna be my last kiln load. Dun, 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 dun. Pieces in, and I do have some scrap pieces left here, but I think I'm going to go ahead and make a custom piece or two to fit in that area, and another kiln load with the rest of this stuff, and then that's it. This is my last kiln load. Fingers crossed. Last kiln load. Here we go. Another great batch. It. I'm on my very last section of glasswork on this mosaic, and I'm going to show you my palette. So most of these swaths are a blue-green color. I am going to be using this tealy purple color as one. I love this ring mottled turquoise, so that's another one. Solid teal, streaky, bright green. And this amazing glass. I'm going to be using this turquoise side. I use this in, I think, a pink area, but not very much of it. Use that one, and then this blue-green. So that's what I'm going to be using for this area. Here I go. I decided to hold off finishing my portion because Jennifer will be wrapping up next week, and I think it would be great if we could finish it together. That's it. That's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.